in this problem, you have the equation of a circle, and you want to rewrite the equation of this circle in center radius format. So put your geometry hat on for a second. That format is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So there's the center. That's the format you want to have it at. The first thing you want to do is you want to rewrite it so your terms are together. And at the same time you're rewriting it, we want to take this constant number and move it to the other side. So we're going to get 3x squared plus 12x, and I'm going to leave a spot, plus something, plus 3y squared minus 24y. I'm going to subtract the 39 from each side, so we're going to get a minus 39. Okay, oops, I forgot to leave a spot in here, but that's okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to factor out a 3, because if you notice, everything is divisible by 3. So we're going to factor out a 3 from every term, but we're going to leave it in parentheses with the x, we're going to leave it outside the parentheses with the y, and we're going to leave it with the 39. We're not going to get rid of it because it's important. So what we're going to do is we're going to give 3x squared plus 4x plus something, because you're going to end up completing the square 2 times here, plus 3y squared minus, I believe that's 8y, plus something is equal to 3 times a negative 13 plus something. And as usual, I got way over on one side of the board. Okay, so let's take a look at this side right here. First, we're going to complete the square with this part here. So I'm going to take 1/2 of my 4 and I'm going to square it. Because remember, what we add to each side is b divided by 2 and square it. So I have 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and I square it. So I'm going to add a 4 here. And at the same time, I'm going to add a 4 here. It's kind of hard to see that. Then I'm going to take a look at my y terms. I have a negative 8. So I'm going to take 1/2 of negative 8 and I'm going to square it. So it's negative 8 divided by 2, which is a negative 4. That becomes a 16. I'm going to add 16. You always add a number to each side. You're never going to subtract. So there's my 16. Now what we're going to do is we are going to rewrite this portion here as a perfect square. So I'm going to keep my 3, and this is going to be x plus 2 squared. It always becomes whatever this is when you divide it by 2. So I have 3 times x plus 2 squared, plus the 3 stays there. Y, I took half of that b term, so it's going to be a minus 4. It's going to be y minus 4 squared equals, and here you have to be a little careful, because this is what we have on this side. We have 3 parentheses, negative 13 plus 4 plus 16. That part is the part we have to actually do. Everything else we're going to leave. So we have over on this side 3x plus 2 squared plus 3y minus 4 squared is equal to, well, right here I have a 7, so this is actually 3 times 7, or 21. And there is the equation of your circle written in center radius form.